A brand new year means a brand new Find X series from OPPO, and this time around we have the OPPO Find X8 Pro. So in order to put it to the test, we are going to do a flagship comparison with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's go! What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So we all know about the Galaxy S24 Ultra, right? So let me share with you a little bit more about the OPPO Find X8 Pro. It is about to set a new standard for flagship smartphone because of its groundbreaking camera features, and also AI photography capabilities. So in this video, I want to show you guys what makes a great flagship smartphone with the aspect of camera, AI, battery and performance. Okay, when it comes to camera, the OPPO Find X8 Pro actually leads the photography side in smartphone because of its exclusive dual periscope camera. It's got a 50 megapixel main camera with Sony LYT808 sensor, great for low light with 4-in-1 pixel technology, and that also means it creates clearer, noise-free shots. There's also a 50 megapixel 6x periscope telephoto lens that offers a 135mm portrait telephoto capability with enhanced zoom performance. And also a 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera for dynamic and sharp images. The 50 megapixel 3x periscope telephoto lens also has a new triple prism fold lens system that enhances zoom performance while maintaining a compact and lightweight design. Now, what excites me the most with the Find X8 Pro is the AI telescope zoom, because the moment I started using it to take zoom photos, I was simply, truly, amazingly impressed. This AI feature actually kicks in the moment we go from 10 times zoom all the way to 120 times zoom. Let me show you. As you can see from the sample photos, I am actually very impressed even during the photo taking session, because every time I take a photo and every time when I zoom, no matter how zoom it is, the photo will always turn out sharp and detailed. Truly impressive. Now, compared to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, we all know that it can really zoom very far, right? But if you look at the optical zooms on this one, it is actually not as great and not as solid and punchy compared to the OPPO Find X8 Pro photos. There are definitely AI features that enhances the photos, but if compared to the OPPO Find X8 Pro, I feel that it is not as efficient and not as capable in making the photo look realistic to a point that I can still accept and post on Instagram. Oh, there's also one more thing. Because of the amazing telephoto capability, right, it also helps in taking portrait photos, and there's also a new feature called soft lighting portrait. That also means it can able to create misty looking photos that a lot of photographers try to create using proper cameras. Although the camera system is super amazing, sometimes we also need a little bit of AI help when it comes to photo editing, right? So the OPPO Find X8 Pro has great AI capabilities to edit. So for example, there's this button called AI Editor that can help us to edit photos very nice. Let me show you one by one. So under AI Editor, there are 4 features, Enhance clarity, AI eraser, unblur and remove reflections. I think it's quite self-explanatory, but I still tell you Enhance clarity basically, right, it helps us to enhance and also make our photos sharper, especially when we are using digital zoom to take photos. So photos that we zoom very far, that's the type of photos that we should use enhanced clarity. So as you can see, it can really help to enhance the picture quality to make it even sharper, although even without it, the camera on the Find X8 Pro can already produce amazing shots. And when it comes to AI eraser, there are a few options, Smart lasso, paint over, and also remove people. Basically, it's options for us to remove distractions or even remove people in the photo if they are not our face because we only want our own face in the photo, correct? So this is how it works, and it works flawlessly, okay? But you need data connection for it to upload and come back, or else without data connection, these features will not work. In case you have blur photos, like handshake, or when, during low light and then your hand is not very stable, and you have blur photos like this one, just tap on unblur and the AI on the Find X8 Pro will be able to help you to make the photo not blur. See the sample before and after, amazing, right? Also, the location that we are shooting this video is perfect because I want to show you how to remove reflection. As you can see here, there's a glass window. We took some pictures, and as you can see, right, the remove reflection works flawlessly. I tap and then the reflection on the glass, no more. I can straight away see the things inside the cafe. Amazing. Now, when it comes to Samsung, okay, it also has AI features like we all know we can remove we can move things but from my usage, I realized that it works very well, but it requires a lot more steps in order to achieve whatever we want to do. For example, we want to remove human in the picture, we have to have a few more taps, and it's not so intuitive, okay? So I would say that the OPPO one is easier to use. Now, a flagship smartphone, right, cannot just be camera and AI. It also has to look good and also has to have a big screen and a very nice screen, right? Hence, if you look at the OPPO Find X8 Pro, it has a 6.78-inch infinite view display, okay? And it's super ultra comfortable to grip. As you can see, I'm gripping left and right because it is so comfortable and it's curved all the way, okay? There's also a Cosmos ring design at the back. Basically, it's the camera panel and it's a balance of elegance and symmetry. And because it's Pro, it comes in two very, very nice colors, okay? Pearl white and also space black. Battery-wise, it's got a 5910 mAh battery for all-day use and also an 80-watt SuperVOOC wired charging, okay, which can reach 100% in 55 minutes. It also has 50-watt AirVOOC wireless charging. Now, before I end the video, okay, I want to share with you 3 little new features that I find quite interesting that can be found on the OPPO Find X8 Pro. And the first one is quick button. With this quick button, we can instantly access camera by double tapping, and also with lightning snap, which is another feature that I want to tell you, you can take up to 200 continuous photos in 30 seconds, ensuring every fast-moving moment is saved. The third feature is live photo, which adds an extra layer, turning shots into animated memories with ease, and it's ideal for sharing or creating GIFs. There's also another feature whereby you can share files straight away to an iPhone, and it's called Touch to Share. In order to do it, all you need to do is install an app called O+ Connect on your iPhone, and on the Find X8 Pro, just pick a file or photo, tap on Touch to Share and select the available iPhone on the screen. That's it. So as a conclusion, okay, although this is not a full comparison or also a challenge between this phone and this phone, but after showing all the features, I'm sure you also can see that the OPPO Find X8 Pro has amazing camera and AI features and also performance that can be your next flagship smartphone. The OPPO Find X8 Pro is also powered by ColorOS 15. And it simplifies your day and journey, making every moment seamless and memorable. It is now available for pre-order, so don't miss this exclusive period from 11 to 29 November and secure your device to enjoy free gift valued up to 3,214 ringgit. So how do you register? Easy lah, just click on the link below this video, okay? Information, pre-order and website, everything I put down there for easy clicking, okay? So thanks for watching. If you love videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, press the button below this video, share this with your friends, and also follow me on all social platforms. My name is smashpop, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!